y'all are coming with me on a Michael Dr. Snowball's vlog ride along. But first,
wow,
Dr. Snowball's business playbook for all of the HVAC technicians want to be contractors. I've been in the field as an owner-operator for 8 years, hitting my head against walls, figuring it out, not knowing where my next meal is, but doing right by the customer all the same. And through the years, I have developed a strategy and playbook. For example, our customer acquisition technique, our Dr. Snowball's ecosystem, call conversion technique, service call checklist, maintenance checklist. It's all in here, and I'm selling it for $500. For that one person out there that I'm talking to right now that doesn't want to build someone else's dream. They want to play their own game, no matter how much money they make. The money coming in is the money that they generated themselves. If they want that makes them feel some type of way, I'm talking to that person. $500. It'll save you some grief. That's my sales pitch. All right, come with me today.
Culture Code.
Culture Code. It's a great book. It's a quick read, and in your business, you'd want to.
What's up, gentlemen? Sorry I'm late.
Just competed for us at this last competition and did a phenomenal job. I'm very proud of her, and today we're going to celebrate her hard work. I want everybody to give a big hand for Miss Melanie!
What was your favorite part of jiu-jitsu class today? These protein pints. Shout out protein pints. Me and Melanie like them. They're good. We wouldn't mind if y'all sent us a couple of these protein pints, huh? Or like a discount code.
I got Dusty soda.
Yeah, we can eat some more whenever you get another promotion. Sweet. Protein pints.
Protein pints.
What's up, guys? It's late at night and I'm on a mini split drip call and about to clear the drains, install some condensate tablets, and check those filters. I literally just got here, so but my meta glasses are dead, and I'll try to get a little bit. All right, but this is for now. Nasty. Look, that drain got me outside. It got me. All right, now they're clean.